Hard water deposits, clogging your pipes or appliances can seriously mess up your day, but getting rid of that gunk doesn't have to be a pain. So, here's the deal. Hard water leaves behind mineral deposits like calcium and magnesium, which build up over time and clog stuff like your showerhead, dishwasher, or coffee maker. First off, grab a descaling agent, specifically made for hard water deposits. Vinegar is cool for light stuff, but stronger products work way faster. When you use these agents, soak the affected parts for at least 30 minutes to let the solution break down the minerals. For appliances, run a cleaning cycle with the descaler or vinegar to flush out those deposits. Don't forget to check your water hardness level with a simple test kit so you know how often you'll need to do this. Also, consider installing a water softener if hard water is a constant headache. It helps prevent future buildup. Keep an eye on your appliance's performance. If things slow down or water pressure drops, it might be time for another cleaning. Lastly, wipe down surfaces regularly where water sits to stop deposits from sticking around. One of the biggest issues with hard water deposits clogging parts is not cleaning often enough, which lets the buildup get too thick and tough to remove. Fix this by setting a regular maintenance schedule. Another common problem is using the wrong cleaning products. Some chemicals can damage your pipes or appliances, so always check that the descaler is safe for your specific device or surface. The last mistake is ignoring early signs like slow drainage or weird noises, because waiting too long can cause permanent damage and costly repairs. If you notice these signs, act fast with a good cleaning routine. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about fixing and preventing hard water problems. Plus, it helps contractors connect with more clients, so everyone wins when it comes to keeping homes running smoothly.